Why rely on store-bought remedies when you have nature's pharmacy at your fingertips? The kids are back to school, and we all know too well that the back to school season means bringing more home than just homework. So it's time to process all of the elderberries that we grew this year. Elderberry syrup is a natural way to boost your immunity and keep your family healthy. And you can grow tons of elderberries right in your own backyard. Nothing beats nature's remedies. Find the recipe in the description and follow for more homegrown health hacks.